Miss Twin? Gonna be 18 degrees tonight, Miss Twin. You ready for it? You ready, Miss Twin? Miss Tall Twin? All right, Miss Tall Twin. You ready for me to bring you some? All right. You got it, girl. All right, the bag's done. Let's go get the front. All right, that's it. Go inside and give it to the cow. Right now, it's probably close to freezing. I don't know exactly, but tonight's going to be 18. And then we're going to have these strong winds coming in. So I'm going to get those 4 bales. I'm going to line them up kind of this way so when the wind comes in, they can get behind that, and that can kind of help them, you know, shield them from a lot of that stuff. So, and that's what I'm gonna do for right now. So anyway, let's get it going, and let's see how it goes. You just never know. You know, making some noises on this CB radio. Thankfully, it's gotten a lot warmer in here. It's warmed up, so that's good. Try this. See that one in the middle? That's I need to get closer. Watch out, Melindy. Melindy. I don't need cows going in between the two. I need to lower it a little bit. I can see a little bit better. See, I want it like that. I want to get it like right next to each other now. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, I'll come in and I'll get 2 more. That'll help block it. All right, I'm back in here. Last 2 bells. Let's go give it to them, ladies. There you go. I'll be back. Let me go open this gate. Last 2 bells, yay. All right, the sun is almost down, but we made it. All right, y'all gonna have to move now. Move out the way. Watch it, ladies and mister. Watch out now. There you go. Y'all know what to do, ladies. Watch out, missy. There we go. That one ain't too bad. Let's put it right there. So we got them all 3 lined up right there. Pretty good. But this one, look, I had a feeling I wasn't down far enough. There we go. All right, let me get this one on the back. Oop. Back up. Watch out. Oh, hold up. Watch out, Melindy. Let me get this thing right here. 3 in a row. I'm gonna put this 4th one. That's gonna have to be good enough right there. Not too bad. 4 in a row, huh? Yeah, not too bad. All right. Not too bad. All right, y'all can see what 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all lined up. So the wind is coming in this way. So if they want to lay down here, it kind of blocks it and it helps them out a lot. So Melindy, what you think about it, girl? She says she can even do a dance if she wants to. All right, Melindy. Thank y'all. Check in with y'all later. Bye-bye.